This is the room that I'll be staying for this trip. Nothing astonishing about the view. Here's my phone cover. I took it off because I was using my Osmo DJI gimbal for recording and my contact lens. I immediately took it off the moment I got here. A quick look at the washroom. Here's the shower, the bathtub, and me. Let's make some coffee. It's the first thing I need for the day. I'm really grateful that I somehow managed to catch a glimpse of the Chinese New Year's decoration in Pavilion because it was going to end after 2 days.
Spaceman's out here on his own. I don't know where to go, calling out to ground control. Take me back, bring me home, don't leave me here all alone. I don't know where to go, so calling out to ground control. Dark out here, complete unknown. Spaceman's out here on his own again.
I have also filmed the 3D digital billboard of tiger appearing outside of Pavilion Mall in Bukit Bintang. As we all know, 2022 is the year of tiger.
Yeah.
This is my favorite. I really like this one. It is so cute.
Honey, if I told you about the way that I felt, yeah, I wouldn't waste a minute if I had you all to myself. We'd be walking in the moonlight, staying up till sunrise. Baby, you can let your walls come down. We'd be be dancing in the corner, sleeping on my shoulder. You can come and have it all with me.
Oh, finally, it's dinner's time. Yo, I've been waiting for you. Oh, you're here, so late. We ordered quesadillas and macaroni and cheese. We didn't have a clue which cafe to visit. We just parked our car at Petaling Street and walked around. At the same time, searching for blog posts about top cafes to visit in this area. I really love the interior. It's so pretty. It's so mesmerizing that everything just blends in so well here.
I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass. Yeah, we get along alright, 'cause I've been dating me my whole life.
It's Valentine's Day. I came to the Sky Bar with my friends. Stunning view of the city and iconic buildings in Malaysia. Celebrating Valentine's is something that I have been missing out on for so many years. I'm glad that I've learned to live on my own and found the joy of being single, as I've come to the realization that the key to happiness is to love yourself first.